Front yard flower beds. No matter the size of your landscape or the condition of your soil, you can achieve a flower garden in your front yard with the use of containers. When you choose containers to adorn your front porch, buy flower pots that are at least 20 inches in diameter. Large containers create a bold statement, whereas a grouping of small containers looks like the clutter of houseplants that have been excommunicated from the kitchen windowsill. If you desire the look of a flower garden in your front yard but don't want the daily maintenance of annual and perennial flowers, look to flowering shrubs for color. Many flowering shrubs, like these azaleas and rhododendrons, bloom in the spring. Continue the show throughout summer with a rose of Sharon bush, and keep the blooms going until frost with a butterfly bush. Although a picket fence won't stop determined passers-by from plucking your garden flowers for a bouquet, a fence does convey the message that viewers should only look with their eyes, not their hands. You can purchase the classic white picket fence in vinyl instead of wood for a rot-proof barrier. Other ornamental fence options for front yard gardens include wrought iron, powder-coated steel, or aluminum. If you're lucky enough to have a grove of mature shade trees in your front yard, you may think this is at odds with a flower garden. If the limbs are high, and the ground beneath receives dappled shade, you can grow many woodland flowers, including columbine, bugbane, Solomon's seal, or toad lily. An advantage of front yard flower gardens for many homeowners is the ability to conserve water. This garden, which includes penstemon, catmint, and scabiosa, can survive periods of drought after the plants become established. If you like the look of your front yard flower bed, you may decide to join the lawn-free movement. Replacing the lawn with a flowering garden has several benefits for homeowners. Installing a permanent raised flower bed is an alternative to keeping flowering containers on the front porch. Raised beds like this one look more substantial than a small pot, and provide continuity between the house and the bed even when not in bloom. Mediterranean climates can be heaven for people, harsh for plants. This bougainvillea vine doesn't mind the sharp drainage, continuous sunshine, and arid climate of this Cyprus, Greece landscape. Other flowers that thrive in this kind of climate include: when flower gardens intersect with urban art forms, viewers get a strong sense of the homeowner's personality. If you're looking for something quirky or different for your flower garden, consider planting a. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.